Hey team, we're gonna be doing some garlic parmesan French fries in the new Ninja Foodi grill and griddle using that air crisp feature coming up. What's up everybody, welcome to Cooking with CJ. I'm CJ, welcome to my kitchen, so glad you're here. If you're a returning subscriber, part of CJ's crew, you know I love you. If you're new to the channel, please hit that red subscribe button, that bell next to it, so you get alerts on all what we're doing here. Well, you heard it already, we're gonna be making some garlic parmesan French fries. We're gonna be using the air crisp feature in the new Ninja Foodi grill and griddle. It's a very easy recipe. I know you're gonna love it. So real quick, I just wanna go over what you're gonna need from the grocery store on this one. So let's start that grocery list. First and foremost, you're gonna need some potatoes. Now I have 3 little russet potatoes here. I'm not making a bunch of these. If you wanna do more, there's plenty of room for more. You're going to need some spray canola oil for the French fries themselves, some olive oil. You need some minced garlic, a little red pepper flake. I'm using Italian herb seasoning. I'm gonna use some grated Parmesan cheese and a little bit of salt and pepper as needed. That's it. Really, really simple. So let's get over to the Ninja Foodi grill station, otherwise known as my kitchen island. Let's start cutting up these potatoes, get them ready for the Ninja Foodi grill. All right, come on back. Now I've already washed these potatoes. We're gonna get them on the cutting board right here. We're gonna slice them into 1-inch thick French fries. I'm leaving the peels on. I am gonna square them up a little bit, but I'm leaving the peels on. You can take the peels off if you want, but I want a more rusty kind of French fry, so that's what I'm going with today. All right, so we just squared up this potato right here. This one's off a little bit, off kilter a little bit, so I'm gonna square it up a little bit better. It makes it a little easier to cut. There we go. We're gonna do 1/4-inch slices. If it's not exactly a 1/4 inch, don't freak out. All right. With the rest of them, we're gonna put them in some water, let some of that starch come out of them. Again, so little 1/4-inch slices. They're not perfectly done, don't stress about it. These are rustic French fries, and they're gonna taste amazing no matter what. And get yourself a sharp knife, like this Strong Delta Wolf, like your Chuck Norris or Rambo. All right, so we got our potatoes in this water. We'll make sure these French fries are completely dry before we get them in that Foodi grill. Now, as you can see, we put these French fries in some water. We're going to let them soak, pull out some of that starch. We're gonna let it go about 5 minutes, dump out the water, add more cold water, dump it out, add more cold water. By then, plenty of starch will be pulled out, and we'll dry off the French fries completely, so there's no moisture on there when we throw it in the air fryer. It really is a simple process, but it's something you really need to do in order to get nice and crispy fries. Potato chips, if you're gonna go that route, you really need to make sure you get some of that starch out. It's a little tip from me to you. Right, let's get these on a paper towel, or a bunch of paper towels, so we can get them dried off. You wanna make sure you get these fully dry. All right, got these fully wrapped up in the paper towel. Let's get this Foodi grill on. We're gonna use the air crisp feature, 390, 20 minutes. Once these are in there, we're gonna mix them every 5 minutes. So let's preheat this, and then we'll add our spuds. Okay, the Foodi grill is yelling at us for some food, so let's give it some food. We're gonna spray some canola oil in the pan, and we're just gonna get our fries in there. No rhyme or reason to getting these in there. They're all gonna get a chance to get mixed around and heated through. You know, just putting these in here right now, 3 potatoes that were pretty average size will probably do you right. This is enough probably for 5 or 6 people. Let's get a little bit more of that canola oil in there. You wanna make it pretty generous coating. Give it a quick mix. All right, we're gonna shut it down. Come back in 5 minutes. All right, team, the first 5 minutes is up. Let's give these a mix. Make sure everybody's getting cooked. Right, another 5 minutes, we'll give it another mix. While that's air frying, let's go ahead and work on our garlic oil that we're gonna use for the garlic Parmesan French fries. All right, so let's get to the stove right quick. Team, we got our little saute pan. We got it on about a medium heat. We're gonna add about a 1/2 cup of olive oil here. Just want to make sure we got a good coating on the bottom. We're gonna let that heat up. Then we're gonna add our garlic to it, let that fry a little bit. Then our red pepper flakes and our Italian herb, just to get mixed in with that oil, a little cracked black pepper. And then this will be ready to pour on the french fries. Okay, we've been preheating for a little bit. We wanna saute this. This is about a half of a tablespoon of minced garlic. Want to saute it, but we don't necessarily want to burn it. You know, just want to get a little fragrant in that oil, so when we toss it with the french fries, everything's coated with that goodness. Another 5 minutes or so. Maybe jump the gun a little bit. Maybe just give these more of a mix. I'm not seeing the browning I like on this. Usually 20 minutes is good enough, but I think we may have to go a little bit longer, but that's okay. I like a real crispy french fry, so we'll just keep looking on it, keep flipping it every 5 minutes or so. All right, our garlic is heating up a little bit, frying, not burning, just frying. Okay, we're gonna turn it down a little bit. We don't want to burn it. You don't want bitter garlic. Okay, add a little cracked black pepper in there, about a teaspoon, nothing crazy. Again, we're not trying to burn this. We're just trying to make the oil nice and fragrant. Okay, we're gonna add a couple hits of red pepper flakes just for the little heat. Then we're gonna do a little Italian herb blend. This is gonna fry in there with the oil. Say about a teaspoon or so of this. Just let it come together real nice. I'm gonna turn it down, turn my heat down to low, and just let it work together. And then we're gonna put this over the french fries. They're gonna be amazing. All right, team, another 5 minutes. Again, this is gonna take another 10, 15 minutes. These are not browning up the way I want them to, as fast as I wanted to. So it's okay. It's just gonna take a little bit longer. Okay, another 5 minutes. We're almost done. You can tell they're nice and soft on the inside. We just need to get that crispy golden brown on the outside. And I think we're almost there. All right, come on back. Team, fries are done. We've given them plenty of mixy mix. They're looking good as can be. These are perfectly air fried french fries. But you know what? We're gonna make them better. Yes, we are. Let's go ahead and get our french fries in the bowl. First thing we're gonna do, a couple pinches of kosher salt. Get those mixed up in there. Drop one. Next thing, add your Parmesan cheese, as much or as little as you like. That mixed up in there. Last thing we're gonna add is our olive oil, garlic, pepper, and Italian herbs. And again, we're gonna give that a mix. We want every fry coated. Right, let's get these plated up. What do you say? Team, that right there is a thing of beauty. I'm just telling you right now, this is what you want to do right here. Right, you know it's time to take a bite. You know it's good. That garlic and the red pepper flakes in there give it a real nice spice. You know, the Italian herbs kick in. That Parmesan is real nice and it actually kind of melts onto it, gets a little creamy. Can't be beat. Okay, listen, if you guys want to get yourself one of these new Ninja Foodi grilling griddles so you can do this yourself, make sure you hit that link down below. It is an affiliate link, but it doesn't cost you any more to use it and it helps out the channel. If you want to get yourself one of them big old Doll Strong Delta Wolf knives that I used, the Rambo style, Chuck Norris style, links down below for that, cutting board merch, all that good jazz, all down below. Make sure you check it out. If you haven't already, hit that join button so you can get your name at the end of each video. Become a show producer, help out your boy, help out the channel to make great content like we're doing here today. Last thing, hit a thumbs up on the way out, comment down below, all that good YouTube stuff. But that's it for this one. I hope you guys have a wonderful week. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for cooking with CJ. Take care.